In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes using Hubspot. If you're looking to enhance your marketing strategy by providing special offers to your customers, creating unique discount codes is a great way to increase engagement and drive sales. Let's dive into the straightforward process and get you set up to start offering those enticing discounts. To begin, open up a web browser on your computer and navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This will be your starting point. If you're new to HubSpot or haven't visited this section before, don't worry. The user guide is a comprehensive resource designed to help you manage various aspects of your HubSpot account efficiently. Once you've accessed the user guide, your next step is to click on the Settings tab. You'll find this in the main navigation menu. The Settings area is the control center for your HubSpot account, where you can configure everything to suit your business specifics, so go ahead and give the Settings tab a click. As you open the settings, you'll want to locate and click on Objects. This section is dedicated to defining the different entities you can manage in HubSpot, such as contacts, companies, and products, which are especially relevant for today's tutorial. Within the Objects section, direct your attention to the Products option. Selecting this will take you to the part of the platform where you can manage the items or services your business offers. It's here that you can tie those items directly to specific discount codes that customers will use. Now that you're in the Products section, look for the Discount Codes feature. This is where the magic happens. Clicking here will open up the possibilities to create, manage, and distribute codes that will provide discounts on your products to your target audience. Make sure to explore any preset options or existing codes to ensure you're not duplicating efforts. Once you're in the Discount Codes section, you'll find the option to Create Discount Code. Clicking this will launch the Creation tool where you can start designing your discount offer. Think through what kind of discounts will appeal most to your audience. Options might include percentage off deals, fixed amount deductions, or even free shipping. Whatever aligns best with your marketing goals and product margin. Follow the prompts to specify the details of your discount code. This typically includes naming your discount, determining its value, and setting any usage limits or expiration dates. These parameters will help ensure that your discount strategy is both effective and manageable. And there you have it. By navigating through HubSpot's interface and setting up your unique discount codes, you're now equipped to offer compelling deals that can help drive customer interest and increase sales. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!